In this video, I'm going to turn this room right now. It's echoey, it has bad lighting. I'm going to turn this into a simple YouTube setup for you if you're just getting started. Does this setup look very professional? I just built this studio under $1,000. Camera, mic, lights, and let's talk about all of the gear. Now, if you can hear, it's a little echoey in this room. So I put some rugs down, and I just put two simple rugs, and it's still echoey, but before, it kind of sounded really echoey. So if you put a lot of stuff in, it will sound better, but this is as simple as it can get. A little camera, some lights, and a microphone, and this looks very professional. And I'm using in this setup the SONY ZV-1. It's a wonderful camera, and it's a point and shoot, and it has like blurry background and all these cool features. And this is how it looks and sounds, and I'm using the Rode Video Mic Go 2 as a shotgun mic. So it's out of the frame. I have a little boom stand, and I have these great lights that is lighting me. You saw me turn off the ceiling light because it's actually very bad on video and you can see the flicker. And these lights are $200 for a pair, and there's an app. So you have $200. This mic sounds great for $100, and then you have the mic stand. Now you have maybe $20 of rugs, but you might not need this. This room is very echoey, and when you hear me clap, you're gonna hear it. But really, if you have more things, you can do it. And this is just a bare bones of what you can see like in an empty room and how to make it look very professional. And I can show you how to build a better background. But basically, this is really the bare bones if you want great quality video. These lights are great, this mic is great, and then I'm using the Sony ZV-1, a wonderful camera. You can pick one up for $500, and then I'm using a Manfrotto travel tripod that runs you $60. So this is how it looks, and this is how it sounds. From this video, I have been filming everything on this camera just to show you. I have bigger cameras and all nicer, but I just wanted to show you how I set up a little simple setup for one of my clients that is doing just simple videos, nothing too special in the background, and really very simple content. Just press and record, want good quality. We're gonna fix more of the echo, but I just wanted to show you how it sounds. You can connect it to a Mac or a PC with a HDMI, and you can live stream. So that's another option with this camera, clean HDMI. So this will last you for many, many years. Good audio quality from the built-in camera, but really I like the external mic, and I didn't want to break the bank because maybe this is your first time actually buying a camera or a setup, and I just want to show you that this looks pretty professional if you're just getting started. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.